Rob. And Rob, how long have you been Latin dancing?
Almost 8 years.
8 years. How did it all begin?
Someone from Notre Dame invited me to come out. I was new in South Bend. I didn't know anyone, so I took up the offer, and I discovered a beautiful dancing community that I'm still a part of.
So it happened here in South Bend?
It happened here in South Bend, which is something I'm very proud to say. I can say I feel like a more confident person. I think I've got a little bit more rhythm, and I've met so many people I wouldn't have met otherwise, definitely outside of the university community. Sure, in many other ways that I can't even think of right now.
What are some of the most important things that you think people who are relatively new need to remember to maximize their experience?
1, have fun. 2, don't be afraid to try something new. 3, remember no one is looking at you. They're focusing on themselves and probably looking at their own feet. What else? Like everything, it takes time, but it's worth the effort. And the music's great.
Okay, so let's try this again. Crossbody lead. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Turn and hold on. 5, 6, 7. Yes. All right. So if you recall, our points to remember were the left hand on the shoulder, the right hand on the waist. But Tony doesn't like simple stuff. Tony likes bands there. All right? So what we're going to do to appease Tony is we're going to turn and face back towards the window. So we're going to make this one smooth swivel. Ready? Swivel. Nice. All right. So if you recall, what we're going to do is push with the right hand, push with the right arm, bend at that crest, come over the head. Boom. All right.
Tonight in the dancer room meeting is Jessica St. Clair. It's her birthday today, and that's one reason among many that she bears a little more exploration tonight, and we're gonna learn some things. So tell me, you're out. You could have done a lot of things on your birthday, but here you are Latin dancing. Why did you make that pick?
Because I love it that much. And I heard about this awesome community of Latin dancers, and I finally got out and it was the most welcoming community I've ever seen. And then everybody just loves to have fun. Like, so much fun. It's just a blast every time I come out.
What would you say to people who are brand new?
I think the classes that they do just really help you build that confidence. Every class that you take, the little 30-minute lesson on Wednesday nights, the hour lessons that they do, random locations all over South Bend are awesome, and just get out there and dance with different people. I think it just helps you do everything. People help teach you too as you dance.
Why are you interested in dancing, or what do you like about it generally?
I mean, what a way to express yourself, to let loose. I mean, just get moving. I just love it. Yeah.
And Latin dance in particular, what do you like about that?
I like that it's a partner dance. You know, you can connect with someone. I like the variety of the different dances we dance here. Yeah, I like the music. Yeah.
Good. And you've progressed pretty rapidly. I know you've just been to a couple basic lessons here. You've got your good rhythm. You're able to do a lot of things. It doesn't appear that you have a lot of nervousness when you dance, but have you experienced self-doubt, self-consciousness, as many dancers do? And if you have, what would you tell people?
Yeah, definitely. I mean, as you can see behind me, there's a bunch of pros out there, you know, and it's like, it can be intimidating, but I think, you know, I was just trying to take the mindset of just giving it the old college try, you know, one foot in front of the other, you know, paso a paso. And so I'm just trying to learn little by little and really just go for it, just having fun. Yeah.
Great.
Yeah.
Anything else you want to add, Cameron?
I just can't say enough about how dance has just changed my life, and I think it's such.
Oh, you got to say a little bit more then. We're talking life changing. Like how? How?
I mean, I think it just it allows me to show like a side of my personality that I might not be able to, you know, emit in just the day-to-day interactions. So, and I think
I've heard other people say that too. That's a little bit. It's a different kind of release or a different kind of. And it is so different than typically what we tend to do in our regular lives.
Yeah, a release. And I would like to say, I mean, this dance like community, South Bend Latin dance, I think it's just been such an open community for me that I've been able to just get involved and make so many friends, and I think that's a great aspect to